How can we get more? If you live in America and have a median household income of $63,000, you are richer than 96.9% of the world's population. Yet only 33% of American adults say they are happy. More money, more stuff, more friends tends to not equal any more happiness. So why is there such a drive for more? Why do we get stuck in the ruts of desire and comparison when comparison is the thief of all joy? Are people aware of the toxic grip that the pursuit of more has on our lives? And who among us is the worst offender? It could be me. See, I've been given more than anything I could ever ask for, but sometimes I still find myself falling into the vicious cycle of wanting more. I have a productivity-driven personality, which means if I don't make progress on my goals, if I lay my head down at night without accomplishing something, I feel like I've wasted that day. You see, I've found that there's a direct inverted relationship between contentness and purpose, between finding purpose and being content. I go through periods of life where I'm totally content. Content with what I have, content with what I've been given, content with my relationships, content with my job, content with my stuff, and content with each day that I have. But these periods usually don't last very long, because every time my search for my purpose in life starts to affect how content I am. I start to desire the next goal, the next peak, the next project, the next best thing. What I've found is that balancing purpose versus contentness is one of life's hardest balancing acts. But I've found that there is one antidote to this problem, and it's gratitude. And practicing gratitude is fairly simple, but don't mistake simple for easy, because it's not. For me in my life, being grateful to a specific being is the most important tool for helping me release anxiety and fear and finding more joy and contentness in my life. For years now, the first thing I do when I wake up is write down what I'm grateful for. And when I page through that journal and see all the blessings in my life, it's crazy to think that I ever forget how blessed I am. But I do. And I go through periods where I forget to be grateful, and I have a hard time being grateful. And I notice that when I don't focus on having gratitude, my life is filled with more fear and more anxiety. There are scientific studies that show that practicing gratitude actually leads to a happier life. These studies show that being thankful literally releases levels of dopamine and serotonin into your brain, and it makes you happier, which is probably why grateful people are just more fun to be around, because they're happy. And I bet my life that people that practice daily, genuine gratitude are the most joyful people in the world. And it doesn't have a thing to do with stuff. But it doesn't happen overnight. It takes practice. In fact, I think an argument could be made that it takes more practice than most things in life. So if you look around and you realize that you have more stuff and money than 97% of this entire world, and you're still not happy, then maybe it's time for you to get a journal, or open a note on your phone, and start waking up in the morning and writing what you're grateful for, and mastering the art of gratitude.